Britannia718 and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please be sure to hit that subscribe button so you can see videos from me. So with the thumbnail, I know that probably either triggered some of you guys or just made y'all wonder what the hell is going on with my hair. So I noticed a couple of months ago that I was having issues with my temples and that sometimes it would just get severe dry patches like what you're seeing in the thumbnail, and I'll put a picture of it up so you guys can see. And I was getting that, but just like I said, here to the point where I can pick it, and I'm just like, yeah, that's not good, right? So I got a little freaked out for like a millisecond, and then I realized, okay, Brittany, when's the last time you washed it and treated your hair? So with that being said, I've started to incorporate washing my hair a little bit more frequently than just, you know, because honestly I don't even know when the last time it was I washed my hair before a couple days ago, because as you know, we can't get our hair retightened, so that's been a bit of a struggle. So I just didn't give two shits about washing my hair, but now your girl got to be a little bit more diligent with washing her hair. So yes, in addition to washing my hair frequently, or a little bit more frequently I should say, I've also been using my hair oil. I know I've talked about it with some of you guys before. If you follow me on my social media, especially Instagram and Facebook, you guys would have seen it firsthand. I don't have a site yet, y'all. I'm working on it, so I know if y'all have questions, just hit me up on Facebook and Instagram for more information about the oils. But anyhow, the oil that I have, my Length LENFF restoration oil, it has a whole bunch of essential oils in there, and I started to make sure that I'm using it a lot more frequently, and I noticed that it's been giving me, I haven't been having the dry patches in my scalp, which has been very helpful. But yeah, it was crazy, because I'm just like, what the hell was causing this? And still to this day, I don't know what may have been causing it, but I just know that I don't have it like that, like how you guys were seeing in that picture. Any of you guys are experiencing dry scalp, dry patches in your hair, I know we can't really go to the dermatologist to check to see what's going on, but try to monitor and see if, you know, maybe washing your hair a little bit more would help. And also if you have some type of tea tree, because tea tree oil is antifungal. Not saying that what I had was a fungus, I'm just saying it's antifungal and also antibacterial, if I'm not mistaken. So try to put a little bit of that, you know, on the scalp, directly on the scalp, and see if that helps. But yeah, guys, I don't know, but I just wanted to come on here and talk to you guys about it, because we always talk about, at least most of us, we talk about the good when it comes to sister locks, and we don't always talk about the bad, right? So I just wanted to come on here really quickly to tell you guys what I've been going through, or what I've experienced with my temples. Make sure you guys are following me on Instagram, Facebook, so you guys can see more about my oil when the next batch will be ready. I'm going to continue to monitor this and just make sure and tracking it that I don't have any issues or no concerns. But yeah, if any of you guys are experiencing anything or any issues with dry scalp, dry patches, let me know down below what you guys are doing for it. If you have any recommendations for me, please by all means let me know, because I love all recommendations as well. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. Tell your mom and them I said to subscribe. And I'll see y'all soon. Later.